Hello students. So we were discussing the Indian legislature. So today we will be discussing about the lower house of the Indian legislature, how the polling is conducted, how the selection is done and all these procedures of the lower house. So we will be primarily discussing lower house today. So let's continue. Lower house elections. People choose their representatives through elections. Elections are also called polls. Elections to a lower house of legislature are usually held once every 5 years. So, what is election? Election is the process of selection of a candidate for the lower house. What is lower house? Vidhan Sabha, we have heard that Vidhan Sabha is the lower house. So, election is the process which is the selection of the candidate for the lower house. It is also known as polls. For the purpose of elections are also called polls. Elections to a lower house of legislature are usually held once every 5 years. For the purpose of elections, the territory of the country is divided into areas, each called constituency. Usually, several candidates contest elections from a constituency. A candidate may represent a political party or be an independent non-party candidate. So what happens? The part of the nation, the various areas are divided into constituency. There are several candidates for the selection of the lower house from the constituency. They can belong to a political party and not necessarily a political party. He can be a single candidate or a non-party candidate. So this is not necessarily a political party that can take part in the election process, or also non-party members are taking part in the polls or the selection process or elections. Voting is done by secret ballot. What is a secret ballot? Secret ballot is a box in which all the votes go inside, and that secret ballot is later on opened by election commissions and the votes are counted. So that is what is a secret ballot. In this system, the ballot vote cast by each voter remains secret. The candidate who gets the highest number of votes becomes the representative of the constituency in the lower house of legislature. Lower house of legislature, that is Vidhan Sabha. The candidate who gets maximum number of votes will be selected as a member of a lower house of the legislature. So how he is selected? By voting. By voting, what is a ballot? A ballot is a vote which goes into the selection procedure of the candidate. Who conducts the election now? Who is responsible for conducting elections? We will discuss about this now. Elections to the Indian legislature are conducted by the Election Commission. There is a body which is known as Election Commission, and they are responsible for conducting the elections or taking the election procedure into process. The Election Commission fixes the dates of election and marks out the constituencies. It sets up polling booths where people cast their votes. It also provides ballot papers and electronic voting machines. So Election Commission is responsible for, what is Election Commission responsible for? Marking out the date of elections, finding out the constituency and marking them too. So they will find out the dates of the election. They will also mark the constituency, and also in that process they would create ballot papers, they would create voting machines, that is electronic voting machines are provided by Election Commission, and in those electronic voting machines the votes go by. Earlier, during early times, the voting used to happen on a piece of paper. People would cast their vote on a piece of paper, and that piece of paper would go into the ballot box, and later on that ballot box would be opened by Election Commission and the votes would be counted. But nowadays, since there is so much of technological advancement, what has been done, that there has been electronic voting machine. People just have to press a button on the party of their choice and the vote is cast, through which voters register their choice. The commission then counts the votes and declares the results. This is what happens. when commission decides that who is to be selected by the process of counting the votes. So we should stop here now. We will be discussing about who can choose the members in our next topic. Thank you, students. Have a good day.
बंद था नहीं